Some gadgets aren't just made for war zones. Some are built for people who stay ready for anything. And today, we're counting down 10 insane tactical military-grade tools you can actually get on Amazon legally: a crossbow that fires at 300 FPS, a hidden knife tucked inside a belt, and a flashlight powerful enough to cut through pitch-black darkness. Every single one of these gadgets is mission-ready for survival, combat, or any unexpected emergency. And when you see number 7, you'll be asking yourself, how is this even legal to own? Before we dive in, all the gadget links are down in the description, so if anything grabs your attention, feel free to check them out. So let's get started. Number 10. Tactical Shovel Folding Axe. Alright, starting strong. This beast right here isn't just a shovel, it's a 24-in-1 survival weapon, made from high-carbon steel and reinforced to survive serious impact. It's got tools like an axe, saw, hoe, fire starter, compass, whistle, and yeah, even a bottle opener. The handle adjusts to 3 different lengths and folds neatly into a compact pouch. Whether you're off-roading or camping in the wild, this thing is your ultimate sidekick. Number 9. Mini Crossbow. You don't need a full-size bow to mean business. This compact beast fires bolts at up to 300 FPS. With a 130-pound draw weight, it's designed to hit hard, broadheads included, and it still fits into your tactical backpack. Measuring just 16 by 5 inches and weighing under 2.5 pounds, this thing is pure power-packed in a stealth body. Survival, hunting, tactical ops, handle. Number 8. Window breaker and seatbelt cutter. Tool. This isn't just a tool, it's a literal lifesaver. Seatbelt jammed, window locked, no problem. Slice through with a sharp belt cutter and smash glass with the built-in breaker. Plus, it has a bright flashlight and a keychain hook so you can carry it easily. You get 2 units, black and green, ready for anything from highway accidents to underwater escapes. Number 7. Tactical Fixed Blade Knife. No gimmicks. Just a full tang, steel-forged tactical knife. This thing offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ideal for breaching, cutting, or surviving harsh terrains. The ergonomic grip keeps it steady in your hand, and the Kydex sheath lets you carry it low profile. Whether you're a survivalist or a mission operator, this blade's got your back. Number 6. Condor Recon Chest Rig. This chest rig isn't about looking tactical, it's about being tactical. Crossback padded straps, D-rings, quick-release buckles, all designed for comfort and lightning-fast access. It holds 6 M4 mags and 6 pistol mags, plus extra pouches for more gear. Whether you're out in the field or training, this rig keeps your essentials locked and loaded. Number 5. Tactical First Aid Kit. Let's be real, when things go sideways, this kit could save your life. It's not just for small cuts. You're getting wound care, trauma gear, and even advanced zip stitch closures for deep wounds. Compact and built for the field, it fits perfectly in your go bag or vehicle. For survivalists or first responders, this is non-negotiable. Number 4. Camping tent. No poles, no headache. Just pump and relax. This inflatable camping tent sets up in under 10 minutes and fits a whole squad. Made from 600D Oxford cloth with UV protection and light rain resistance, it's perfect for a weekend getaway or base camp setup. For heavy storms, slap on a waterproof cover and you're golden. Number 3. Magnetic Tactical Flashlight. This flashlight doesn't mess around. It hits with 2,100 lumens, a 500-meter beam, and a rugged, waterproof, drop-proof build. You get magnetic USB recharging, a tail switch for mode toggling, even with gloves, and up to 8 hours of runtime. Mission-ready lighting that won't quit. Number 2. Tactical Mask. This is what elite ops wear when the air turns hostile. It shields your face from toxic gas and airborne threats, and even has a built-in drinking system for long missions. Durable, reusable, and fitted with advanced filters. It's perfect for survivalists, military, and law enforcement when things go from bad to worse. Number 1. Anti-fog tactical goggles. And finally, tactical eyewear that doesn't fog up in the heat of action. You get 3 interchangeable lenses to match lighting conditions, plus full impact protection from debris, UV, and glare. Tough, rugged, and mission-proven. With a hard case for transport, if you're a shooter, hunter, or operator, these are your go-to optics. That's a wrap on today's tactical lineup. 10 insane military gadgets that are not only real, but 100% legal to own. If you found something cool, subscribe and hit that bell for more insane gadgets every well. Link are below. Build your kit. This is Value Bite, signing off.